Planning for farm forestry starts with determining objectives. This is really the foundation upon which everything else is built, so it's worthwhile investing plenty of time and effort to clarify what the objectives of the timber tree plantings are. They may be multifaceted. For example, the objective on a dairy farm may be to also provide shade and shelter for livestock in strategic locations, as well as sequestering carbon on an ongoing basis. For others, an increase in biodiversity and improved amenity will be important. In determining the objectives and designing the tree planting, it's well advised to seek out the best information available. That could be found online and in other publications, connecting with experienced practitioners, participating in agroforestry networks, and also potentially engaging specialist consultants. From this, a much broader perspective may be gained, which will in turn shape a plantation design that suits the individual situation. Value stacking, where performance of your timber tree planting is optimised across a range of objectives, is a worthy factor to consider in the planning phase. All of these elements will drive the design of your plantation. A whole farm plan will assist in the placement and design of the farm forestry regimes, with land types and existing infrastructure determining this to some degree, but the design should be reflective of those clear objectives. To fit this, regimes can be applied in various shapes, sizes and planting densities. Woodlots generally refer to larger, dense plantings where the growth of timber is prioritised. Wide space plantings refers to less dense plantings, where the growth of the timber trees is balanced with other crops or pasture. Shelter or timber belts are usually linear, but with good design and some width, can provide multiple values beyond just shelter or timber. Thinking about how timber will be extracted is critical. For some, this may be relatively straightforward. For example, a farmer on a gently undulating block may be able to extract timber themselves using a 3-point linkage device on the standard farm tractor, providing they're cognizant of the relevant safety aspects. On steeper country though, planning to extract timber requires a great deal of forethought and potentially the installation of an extensive track network, but this will vary from farm to farm.